it comes to investing in real estate, the best place to put your money is in strategic positioned properties. And you may ask, how do we know strategic position properties? I will tell you. Whenever you come to a place that has a lot of government projects like the Lekki-Epe Expressway, the airport, and also when you have a lot of construction going on like the express road, those places are strategic positioned properties whereby you can put your money in and make huge return on investment within shortest period of time. And this estate I'm about to tell you is one of those strategic properties that you should put your money in. Hello, my name is Jacinta, your premium realtor in Lagos State that helps you to invest in the very best of real estate where you can make huge return on investment. And today I want to talk to you about ITUNU City. ITUNU City is located along the Lekki-Epe Expressway and it comes with the title C of O. Now I will tell you some benefits why you should invest in ITUNU City. One, it is strategically positioned, and I know I told you that the best place to put your money is in strategically positioned properties, of which ITUNU City is one of those properties you should put your money in. Now, the second benefit of you investing in ITUNU City is that it comes with a great title, C of O. Third benefit of this property is that it comes with great features. When you look around you will see that we're already working on the internal road, we're already working on the drainage system, and we already done a beautiful gatehouse for you. This is going to be a wonderful city for you. Now, what are the features that we have in the city? We're going to bring great features like the knowledge park. We're going to have a mini golf. We're also going to have recreational center and many others. And the fourth benefit of you investing in ITUNU City is that it is in a close proximity where we have great government projects like the Lekki-Epe seaport, like the proposed airport, and also we also have the proposed Port Mainland Bridge, the Lekki Free Trade Zone. Another benefit is that it comes with flexible payment plan. You know, a lot of people have been asking, oh, Jacinta, please, I need a property that can help me pay in installment. And now this property will bring it to you now. You can spread your payment within 12 months. In ITUNU City, we have different plot sizes. We have the 300 square meter, the 500 square meter, which are the residential part of this estate, and the 1000 square meter, which is the commercial part of this estate. Like I said, it comes with flexible payment plan. So with a deposit of 5 million naira, you can secure your own plot in any of those plot sizes that we have and spread it within 12 months. You can also spread within 3 months, you can spread within 6 months, depending on how you want your own plan to be. So this is the best place to put your money in. Remember, 90% of millionaires made this so through real estate. So if you want to be among the millionaires, in fact not just the millionaires but the billionaires, you need to be a real estate investor. For more enquiries about this beautiful estate, you can call 090-1259-4511. And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on amazing properties like this. Till I come your way next time, keep investing on great properties. Bye.